Hi, my name is Cristian Soto, and I'm originally from Ecuador and proudly graduated from the Universidad Central del Ecuador. When we just got started preparing for the exams, we start facing the uncertainty, the fear, and the lack of guidance and knowledge. This is the exact moment in which we have to find the correct person who has already passed throughout this journey, so we can receive the best guidance in how to successfully achieve our goals. That's why I always believe that mentorship means connecting two individuals. In such way, they can build rapport and share communication, so both can learn, teach, set goals, support when failure comes, and to congratulate the success. When I just got started preparing for the USMLE exams, I didn't really know what steps to give so I can fully accomplish the most accurate way my goals. Luckily, I was blessed of finding wonderful people who was willing to help me. They were very kind and outstanding people. I was moved by their empathy and their willingness to help others that I decided to replicate this towards the new generations. That's what I found in aspiring mentors, and I learned from Dr. Medley to be a better leader. I improved my leadership skills by learning from her. And also I learned from my mentees to see the problem from different perspectives. So understanding the particular situation of each mentee let me fully comprehend the range of options and alternatives we have to solve the same problem, but the best fit the individual situation. I also learned how to improve my communication skills, which is extremely important as human beings, in which we can connect with empathy and compassion to understand other hardships that we can face throughout our decision to accomplishing our goals. That goes beyond preparing exams. As a young doctor, there are plenty of goals to achieve. One of them is to become a competent and compassionate internist here in the US. I see here the potential to fully find my best potentials and capacities to provide the best patient care possible. Alongside, I'm moved by teaching and coaching newcomers, junior doctors, and the new generations in general. That's why one of my main goals with aspiring mentors is keep teaching and walking across alongside my mentees to let them succeed in their journey. You just got started preparing for the exams, or you just got started setting a new challenging goal in your life. There are two things that you must be aware of. First, discipline, and second, motivation. The perfect formula for succeeding is 99% of discipline and 1% of motivation. Discipline will give you what other people cannot accomplish because they are not willing to go that extra mile, because it's hard. So becoming doctor is not an easy job. So for you to become a good professional, you need to be disciplined. However, this requires time and effort. You have to quit many other things in your life that might lead you to lose or forget what moved you to pursue this goal from the first time. You might feel that are lost or you don't have horizons anymore. This is when motivation comes. So you might want to find and to reach out those role models you have so you can receive inspirations from them and receive the guidance that you need. Also, you have to remind yourself what moved you for the first place to pursue this path so you can recover and come back to the journey with the same discipline that you put at the first time when you should start preparing for the exams. Remember, discipline and motivation. Good luck.